Hello everyone, it's me Besdeen. Today we are going to learn how to build a website that function like YouTube. Okay, so I open my browser. I've installed a WordPress site, so I have to log in. Okay, so this my character. I have to log in now. Login your cookies. Okay, so let's check the website first. Okay, this is how it is, the normal. So come back. So I have downloaded Video Pro plugins, and the Video Pro plugins is in my phone, on my phone. Okay, it's on my phone. So this is the Video Pro plugins, and these are this is the Video Pro themes. So these are the plugins that we need to install. Okay, so we are going to install the themes first. Okay, so we install the themes. Appearance, themes, go to add new themes, upload themes. So you now select the file. Okay, this is the file here, so select it. Okay, so it's not showing the install button, so I will click here and turn it to website to desktop view. I have to choose it again. So you now click install. I've clicked install. It's now installing. Okay, so after it has installed, you need to go click themes. Need to click. Let me change this back to. Okay. Need to go. You will find it here under. Look at it. This is it here. Activate. Okay, after installing, this is the message you will get. It tells you to install all these necessary plugins before it can work. So we are going to install this plugin now. Plugins. First, let's look at the way the website is now. let's take a look at it before we come back to installing the plugins. Look at the way the website is now. Everything has changed. You can see it. Okay, look at it. So go back. We're going to install the necessary plugins. You have option 3. You need to install option 3. Okay. So okay. Okay, we are not supposed to upload it, so we use this place here. Begin installing plugins, the necessary plugins. Okay, you have to store all these plugins. These are the necessary plugins for it to work. You can see. So I start from stock across. It's installing. So I need to forward this place.